So like that, the Lily auntie crossed the forest. And then she walked and walked and walked and walked and walked. Then finally, she reached her daughter's house. So she reached there, and then on the door she started knocking. Tuck, 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 tuck. Nobody. Tuck, 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 tuck. Again. Tuck, 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 tuck. Oh, daughter said, Mama, I'm here, I'm coming. So she could hear daughter running and coming, and she opened the house. They were so happy. They hugged each other, kissed each other, and then they were so happy. So every day daughter started making special food. Lily auntie started enjoying. Then 10 days got over. Lily auntie said, Daughter, let me go home, my dear. 10 days over now. Then the daughter said, No, Mama, don't go, Mama. Few more days, please. Okay, she stayed for few more days. Then again 10 more days. Over 10 plus 10, 20 days. Then Lily auntie said, Oh, my dear, let me go home. Then the daughter said, No, Mama, don't go, Mama. This is not enough. 10 more days, Mama. Please, please. Okay, again 10 more days. All these days, daughter used to make very good food, and Lily auntie started eating. So like that, 10 plus 10 plus 10. 3 tens. 30. 30 days over. 30 days means 1 month. Okay, 1 month got over. That day morning, Lily auntie was looking so sad. Then the daughter asked, Mama, why are you so sad? I know that you are sad in leaving me. But again, you are too sad. What happened? Then the Lily auntie said all the story. And she said, when I am going back, this lion will be waiting to eat me. Elephant will be waiting to eat me. And the bear. See, I just told them that story like that. I will become fat, and actually I have become fat. But how can I escape? Then you know, when the mother Lily auntie is clever, you should understand her daughter is more cleverer than Lily auntie. Then the daughter said, Mama, don't worry, Mama. We can very easily solve this problem because I will use my intelligence. Oh, my dear, what we will do? Then she said, okay, I will tell you. Then, from some corner, she brought a big bin, like a basket, big one. And there is a lid also to cover it. She told, Mama, you sit inside this one. Maybe we have seen like Deepa and all, no, barrel, like that big one. And she asked Lily auntie to sit inside that. And she gave water and chicken biryani in a packet to Lily auntie. Why? On the way to eat. Then she closed the lid. And there are few holes on that. Outside the barrel there are few holes. Why the holes are put? Lily auntie should breathe, no? For getting oxygen. Then the daughter pushed it. So you know when we are pushing it, thadak, 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 it started going. So like that Lily auntie is going, okay? And inside Lily auntie will move like this. Then again it will start rolling. Thadak, 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 thadak. Like that Lily auntie is going. So she passed the city. Then she entered the forest. She understood it's the forest because there are some holes and all, so she can sense. Then again, thardak, rolling and going. Then somebody stopped it. Who? The lion. Lion could smell human being. Then the lion called, "Who is inside this barrel? Who are you inside?" Then Lily auntie said, "Oh lion, my friend, I am here. I am your Lily auntie." "Oh, you came back. Are you fat now?" Lily auntie said, "Yeah, yes, I'm fat." "What are things you ate?" Lily auntie said, "Oh, I got lot of good food from my daughter's house. I ate chicken biryani. I ate fruit salad. I ate payasam. Then I ate halwa, jalebi, lot." Oh, then again, our lion is already hungry and he said, "I want to eat you right now." Then Lily auntie said, "Oh my lion, what to do? My daughter put me inside this and she locked it. I don't have the key. I don't know how to come out. What can I do?" Oh, then the lion said, "Oh really?" Then she said, "Lion, let me tell you a secret." "What?" Then Lily auntie said, "The key of this one is in my house in the village. Once you may take me to the village, you can open it and eat me." Oh, that's a good idea. Because Lily auntie was tired sitting inside and pulling, pushing and all. So then the lion started rolling it. Okay. So Lily auntie is happy. Very good journey. Then she heard another sound. "Who is this?" Yeah, the elephant is waiting. Elephant said, "Oh my God, this is Lily auntie." Then Lily auntie said, "Hi elephant, I'm here." Same story she said. "My daughter put me inside this. It is locked and the key is in my house." So the elephant also started helping. Okay. Then she heard the sound of the bear. Oh, bear said, "Lily auntie, I can smell you. I recognize you from the smell." Then she said, yeah, I'm Lily auntie." Same old story. She repeated, "Daughter put me inside. It is locked and I have to reach the village. Key is in my house." Oh, then the bear also started rolling it. They were going. Then Lily auntie, very happily sitting inside, she started eating the biryani. Then lion said, "I smell food." Elephant said, "Yeah, it's biryani." Bear said, "Lily auntie, how can you eat it without giving us?" The Lily auntie said, "No, I really wanted to give you, but I'm inside, no." "Yeah, once you open with the key, I will give you." She ate the full biryani. Then she started drinking water. Okay, these three animals together, they were rolling her, helping, and finally they reached the village. You know the village? There are a lot of people here and there. They all saw the animals. Then all the farmers, they are very strong, big people. They all started running here and there, taking lot of steeds, everything, and they started beating these animals. So they had no other way. They ran back to the forest. Then from inside, Lily auntie called, "Oh, help, 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 help." Then the people understood somebody is there inside this. Okay, they all together opened. Then the Lily auntie came out. Then everyone said, "Oh, this is our Lily auntie." Then Chandra auntie also was there. She said, "Leela, I was taking care of your house. Your cow is well and I was watering your plants. Everything is okay. How is your daughter?" Then Lily auntie said, "Yeah, daughter is fine. I enjoyed living with her and she only gave me this idea. Otherwise these animals might have eaten me." "Oh, it's like that." "Yeah, they were about to eat me. Then I used my intelligence and I escaped on my journey to my daughter, and return journey, this is my daughter's intelligence." And Lily auntie was very happy. Then Lily auntie said, "Okay, all of you have intelligence. You have to use it. Okay, when you are getting something to study, you study it properly so that later on in your life, you will know how to use your intelligence." Okay, children? Did you like the story? I think this is a good story and you have to learn how to use your intelligence. Okay, babies? I miss you all. Love you so much. Take care.